3 ways to find out if someone has deleted or blocked you on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Query Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat. Click on the chat icon at the bottom, and the first thing you can do is check your friends list. You can do this by clicking on the 3 dots at the top and then clicking on Manage Friendships. So you'll see your friends list here. If you don't find them on your friends list, then it might mean that they have blocked you. Next thing you can do is search for their username. Click on this search bar right here and search for their username. If a profile doesn't come up, then that means that they have blocked you. If they are not in your friends list, but they appear in their search with the add friend sign, then that means that they have deleted you on Snapchat, but they haven't blocked you. One exception can mean that they have fully deleted their Snapchat account. You can ask another friend to search for the user to confirm if they have deleted their account or blocked you. So these are the ways to find out if someone has blocked you or deleted you on Snapchat. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.